How to use Reddit anonymous mode. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply open Reddit app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download that app from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will see home, popular, also other option. But for anonymous mode we will simply wait. My internet was a little bit slow. Now here I will simply click on any post comment section. For example, here I can see comment section, so I will simply click on that. Once I click on that, now I will simply click on top right corner profile pic. Once I click on here you guys will see on top username, so simply click on that username arrow. Once I click here you guys will see anonymous browsing, so simply click on anonymous browsing, and once I click on that, my Reddit will be switched to anonymous browsing. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.